This Fintie case is for Samsung Galaxy Tab 7Ss and 7-8s. I got the one in black and it helps protect my Tab S7. Right away when you hold the case, you can feel this case is made well. The outside is actually made with premium synthetic leather. On the one side of the exterior there's a stretchy strap, and on the opposite side there's a pocket in case you need to slip in a business card or ID tag. On the inside you have the plastic encasement where the tablet will be inserted into, and I'll show you that in a minute. On this side, you have a soft velvety microfiber material with 3 ridges that allows you to set your tablet at 3 different positions depending on your preference. Let's take a closer look at the exterior. The case is very sturdy and slightly flexible, and you can see the faux leather seams are done very well with no loose threads. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert the tablet into the plastic encasement. You can see that all the ports and openings are still accessible. And now I'm going to show you the tablet sitting on an angle, and you can see that I can adjust it to sit flatter or more upright. And this case also comes with an S Pen, which can be used to navigate your tablet keyboard. Alternatively, you can also use it to write and draw. Here you can see it actually writes very smoothly on the screen. And then when you're done, simply place the S Pen horizontally to the back of the tablet until the next use.